Hey guys, it's me, Kevin, and today I'm doing more of an unboxing video. I couldn't do it when I got home because I was out getting a fidget spinner, close to a fidget spinner, but not a fidget spinner. This is crazy, but have you heard about this? It is the Fidget Cube. Today I'm doing more of an unboxing video. Like I said, this is the Fidget Cube. It's kind of like the fidget spinner, but get ready for your mind to be blown. Your mind will be blown in 3, 2, 1, 0. Here it is, the Fidget Cube. This is an amazing thing, and I can't believe I got it. The fidget spinners were kind of over my price limit because I went to my local 7-Eleven and I had 300 fidget spinners in stock. Yeah. And had about 164 fidget cubes in stock. These are amazing. Let me show you the features. Go ahead and read this. You got it? Can you read this? Am I holding it upside down? No, I am not. Go ahead and pause the video and read this. It is 50, which is second. 502. It's beautiful, isn't it? Go ahead and read the instructions. If you didn't want to read them, and you probably couldn't read them, well, here it is. I'll teach you about it. This is the locks. You know, little safes that have the little buttons on them they can turn. Gears. I don't know.
Any chili or burger?
Chili, please. Grandma, no offense, but right now I'm making a YouTube video. They might X out this video and dislike it. Nobody wants dislikes.
But you can erase it and then do it over.
Nah, I'm not going to do that. This is the light switch. You know how light switches, some people love to play with light switches? Probably you, Ezekiel. But this is amazing. Light switch flicking. And it also has a... You can have it. Look at that. All the features to it. Next is the joystick. You know, little joysticks on your Xbox controller, they're super stress relieving. Well, get this. This is my phone. I use the magic spell to make it. But I used the wrong piece of paper, so when it came out, it broke. And this Fidget Cube, oh, I bought it from the store. Also, people in my class, I will draw a 3D modeled fidget spinner for you. Stacy, Ezekiel, and Juvie, and Lucas. If anyone here in my class, I'm going to draw one picture. Whoever comments first on this video in my class gets the 3D drawing of a fidget cube. And instead of one starburst, 2 starbursts. And a 3, actually no, not starbursts. I will be giving you whoever comments and likes this video first will get a 3D drawing of this and this. But I'll be giving this away. Like, not a 3D drawing of it, this itself. Whoever likes and comments first in my class. And like this video if you want to buy a fidget cube. And if you want a 3D drawing of the fidget cube and this. Alright, guys. I still haven't shown you all the features yet. After I showed you this and this, the light switch, I showed you this, next is the ball. This is a implanted marble. Doesn't it look so nice? Look at it. Wow. Look at it spinning. It's beautiful. And some people in my class might love to click pens. Huh? I didn't know they came out like that. This is the pin. And something just fell out. And if any of you here know what pool is and play it, you know those little things that you rub your pool stick on and like they like put this weird stuff on them, like this weird green stuff, and your parents say not to do that because you get this weird green stuff on your fingers? Well, it's right on this fidget. Buy a fidget cube. You get to rub your finger on the little square thing from pool all day long. And there's another feature, which is, this is the last feature, spinny thing. Like, I have one of these fidget spinny things in my house. They're like light switches. These right here. Those right there. But we had to break it because we had to take it off. There was this on there, but we had to take it off because bless you. Bless you. It was my grandma, not me. It was not me. Here's my grandpa's workspace.
Not helping.
Okay.
Close the door, please. Thank you.
Watch your head.
That was my grandpa's workspace. And you probably want more of this video. See these? I'm going to be giving Starburst out. Whoever pays attention in Kevin's Fact of the Day in my class will get a Starburst. making chili. Comment if you like chili. I love chili. Right, Grandma?
Yep.
I made some rockin' chili, trust me. Tell him, Grandma.
No thanks, honey.
Do I make delicious chili?
Yes, you do.
Told you. And that's it of the Fidget Cube. Let me see. Check. Also, this makes no sound, but the rest make sound. Pens. Alright, guys. Like and subscribe. And